Decorating a room with big number graphics looks amazing and is really simple to achieve. You'll need a photocopied number, a cutting mat, craft knife, masking tape, stencils, scissors, coloured chalk, string, a small foam roller kit and a tape measure. For a one-off stencil perfect for furniture, print a number template onto the thickest paper you can get through a printer. Use a sharp craft knife and begin to cut the stencil by pulling the blade towards you. Move the stencil round as you go to make it easier for you. Position the stencil and hold it in place with masking tape. For furniture, use a tough satin wood or gloss finish and apply with a small foam roller. Make sure that the paint is evenly distributed and that there isn't too much on the roller. Then apply it lightly and evenly through the stencil. If it doesn't cover in one, wait for it to dry and apply a second coat. If you want to do lots of stencils on the wall, use manufactured ones. You can get these in lots of sizes from online stencil studios and stores. Measure the stencil and wall you have to work on to divide up the space into a grid that will help you position the stencils evenly. Use the string and coloured chalk to snap a grid onto the wall. Hold the stencils in position with masking tape and apply colours through the stencil with a foam roller, and remember not to overload that roller. Work over the stencils lightly and evenly. You can touch up any bits that bleed under the edge with a small artist's brush if you need to. And when you've finished, dust off the chalk lines with a dry brush and clean up any remaining marks with a clean, damp cloth. How good is that?